make a car fly in the sky? What can make a tree fall down? Run, it's a tornado. Today I would like to tell you a question about tornadoes. Today I'm going to tell you about tornadoes. Tornadoes are violent storms. Tornadoes are formed when warmer and colder meet. A tornado looks like a spinning funnel cloud. A tornado is only a tornado if it touches the ground. Tornadoes travel 300 miles per hour. A tornado watch means tornadoes are coming. A tornado warning means a tornado has been seen. Now I'm going to show you how to make a tornado. Whoa.
Can you explain what's happening? Or what did you put in there to make it?
I just put like water and blue food coloring and sparkle or glitter.
So try this so you can see. Wow.
Oh wow.
That's a tornado?
Yeah. And then we see it's like right in the middle and it's going up.
Yeah.
It
So you
sucks
do it again.
everything up.
It's very cool. Why don't you come over on this side so people on this side can get a better look since we were on this side. Ooh.
Illusion is
I'll
violent.
put it a little bit down.
Really? No, so people may have to see it. He's doing a good job.
She can send it.
It's hard to hear me.
James, we're not at question
Okay.
time yet.
No, it's okay. That's enough things. Let's do like some stuff you can do. Oh, there's a tornado.
That is awesome.
I can see too. Yeah.
How do they make
tornadoes? Cup.
How do they make tornadoes?
We just,
Okay, wait, hold on. Well, that's a
Saw
question.
it.
So wait, Chris, we're gonna wait. Are you done with your part of the presentation? Are we ready for questions yet? Or you still have more to talk about? Let's finish your part first.
just the last. Thank you for more. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
All right, so now he gets to have you have 4 questions.
Questions or comments? James.
Do you know when big tornadoes, usually big tornadoes do not go up, they crash down. Did you know that?
Justin.
Is that like soda when they explode or?
Tyson.
Where do you get the fruit color?
Well, lots of places.
Where did you get the cup? Because that cup is used for a lot of hurricanes.
For what?
For a lot of hurricanes. What are hurricanes?
I have a couple questions for you. What made you choose to write about tornadoes?
Well, just thought it would be cool to explain about it.
And did you have to get some of your information from the internet or from books? Or?